We are in Pecos Mountains with Jaslyn, Darius, and Luis. And who's the most beautiful of them all? Davian. And here Luis is crossing the river with a 45 on his belt and a pellet rifle in his right hand. As we can see, he's staggering a little bit, but I truly believe that he can make it. Darius over here is cheering him on, or making it worse. And Jaslyn over there is just watching intently as her brother crosses the raging waters of the Pecos River. And Davian is here thinking about how he's going to cross over. And Luis is almost to the finish line. He's going to make it. He gets some help from Darius. And he made it. Almost. Almost. He's almost on dry land. He can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yay! And he made it! Say hi to the camera!